That's a little chilly this morning.
It's time for something a little freaky!
Oh yeah. AnthWare proudly presents. Oh yeah. Butt RV.
It's totally fucked!
Outside? Wanna go outside? Outside? Good morning. Don't ask me what happened with the first batch of eggs.
I've been asked, how do you do laundry when you live in an RV? Well, kind of the same thing you do when you live in an apartment without a washer and dryer. First, you load your van life van full of dirty laundry. Then, you drive to the laundromat and get stuck at the railroad tracks. Like a slot machine.
Yeah. Shut up and take my money. And while I wait for that, it's also a good opportunity to vacuum and clean this van out. Yeah. Not too bad, but I just need to do a little vacuuming and straightening up. And be good to go. Now the fun part. Gotta fold it up, take it home, and put it away. Well, there we go, Mr. Puppers. We've got it all cleaned up, got the bed made, clothes put away. I even went through all the cabinets except for the one under the bed, the storage under the bed. Downsized some even more, cleaned out some junk. Also, made it a little bit more Christmassy in here. Look at this. Tink. Yeah. Getting in that Christmas spirit. And our mini Christmas tree. Drinking some eggnog. Yeah. So let's sit back, relax, doggy. And watch some YouTube. And we'll see what tomorrow brings.
Just took the wife to work, and one of my favorite places to get coffee and some interesting bagels of all kinds of flavors is here at Panera Bread. Hot coffee, cinnamon crunch bagel, and a chocolate chip bagel. Yeah, that's what we're gonna get. Oh yeah, two of my favorite bagels. Are we at the park? Huh? Are we at the park? Huh? You excited for the park? Yeah, we're at the park, boy. We're at the park. You want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Yeah, let's go for a walk in the park. Ah, crispy, frosty morning to go walking in the park with the puppers. Yeah.
That looks a little frozen. Yeah. I don't know. Being here, for some reason, is giving me these weird flashbacks.
Check this shit out. That'll poison your fucking ass, dude. In the nature wilderness. That's what you want to see, right? Look at that shit. Beautiful nature with my hand. Oh, tree. I'm a tree hugger.
Arrows.
I'm lost as hell. Oh, what's this say? What's this thing say? That way? There's civilization that way? That way. Go that way. Dude, there's a fucking river there!
What was that all about? Oh my goodness. I don't know if I should be walking here. It just seems like something's happened around here before. Oh my god. This is where the map says the creek crossing is at. I don't know. I don't feel like getting wet because it's so cold. That's a part of the park I've never explored because I haven't found a way over there yet. It's easy to cross anyways. We did it. We found a way across. It's actually so low here, it's frozen. So all I had to do is just kind of shortly hop here, walk along the edge, and come on up. Now, I'm in the part of the park that's completely unexplored. Who is walking who here, dude? Huh? What's going on? Feels weird to be on the other side. We defeated it, dog. Unless you can swim. Explain this one to me. The creek doesn't have a bridge. However, I'm guessing when this is wet, they got a bridge here, but there's no water. Explain that. This is the Christmas Trail. Wonder if we'll find Santa Claus in here. Trying to find our way back to the river crossing, I'm kind of lost.
And I'm lost! And I get this fucking sign, man! Fucking scared! Ah! Oh my god, I'm gonna die! Ah!
Ooh, stirred up another one of those weird memories. I gotta get out of this park. It's like I've been here before, and in this situation. As again, try explaining this one to me. Good thing about having a dog with you, he sniffed our way out of here. We found the creek crossing. And lucky, it's starting to thaw out now. We're getting out here just at the right time.
I wanna fuck this river! Ah!
So who knows if I'll ever be on this other side. Ah, there it is. There's the van, man. Let's get out of this creepy forest. Too many bad memories. Oh crap, almost out of propane. You know what? I think I would exchange both of them. Because I have a spare and I usually switch them out. Might as well get two of them. Switch them both out. So let's just turn this off. And now we'll show you how I get propane. So Menards has the cheapest propane exchange that I've found so far. The gas stations are $22. Here, yeah, so easy exchange. All I'm going to do is put my card in there, and I'm going to do that process, and we'll get back to you. Get a box. That's baby. Now that we got propane and keep warm, let's play this new game that I purchased today. Yeah, Smash Brothers Ultimate. Yeah. Well, I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I just wanted to make this vlog, just kind of play around with the new the GoPro. Not a fan of the audio. So, yeah, just wanted to toy with it and see what I can make with it about, you know, what goes on in a weekend with me. Time to begin another chapter. In the next year, 2019, I start learning to drive truck. I have finished all the book work and all the knowledge tests. I am now ready to start driving and training in a real truck. I start that in January. So, I guess that means there might be a lot of interesting adventures up ahead. You're just going to have to stay tuned and see what happens in the Butt-Fucked RV 2.0 next year. This is Anthony from AnthWare, folks. And from this time and every time on, folks, keep on clicking. This is Anthony from AnthWare, signing off.